my name is Angus and I'm a Dartmoor Junior Ranger, and in the past 4 years with my fellow Junior Rangers we have
repaired a spillway,
coppiced trees,
repaired a leat, helped at outreach events,
dug drainage ditches,
cleared bridle paths and footways,
repaired fire pits,
cleared scrub,
restored the historic tramway,
discovered things about ourselves, developed personal skills and made lots of friends.
but above all we have learnt to care for and enjoy this splendid place called Dartmoor.
We would like to thank Dartmoor National Park Education and Ranger teams for their support and guidance, and Columbia for sponsoring the National Park Volunteer Awards and awarding us the Group Award.
Thank you!